Globalization, that is, the interaction and integration among different nations, affects our environment, culture, political systems, and economy. One of the major powering driving force behind the operation of this global system is communication, allowing e-commerce and social networking to advance a universal interconnection. This evolution has only been possible because of mathematics, the cradle of all creation, and without it, the world cannot progress at all. With the rapid development of globalization, financial mathematics is becoming more and more important. There is perpetual increase in global financial flows compelled by financial institutions including banks and investors, geographically expanding their activities. Furthermore, these financial organizations affected by international exchange rates need to apply the methods of financial mathematics to interest, loans, shares, and superannuation. Specifically, the compound interest formula is a financial math equation that allows us to calculate the total of the principal sum and its additional interest over time. Here is an example. A key element of globalization is e-commerce, which also involves the use of financial mathematics aiding the function of the universal interaction. E-commerce is a platform in the consumer market that uses electronic communication in business transactions to create relationships between us and organizations. It enables us to shop or do other transactions 24 hours a day, all year round, globally. The combination of globalization and e-commerce have greatly contributed to all aspects of society, bringing about changes and hence influencing our daily lifestyle. Social media has an evolving role in e-commerce as it created global communities of potential buyers and sellers. Social networking is a universal practice of using social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to expand the number of one's contacts by making connections with other individuals. With social network prevalent in this globalized world, approximately 25% of the world's population uses it every day. These networks rely on having many users, where the more users there is, the more vibrant the network. The total number of connections can be determined by looking at the addition of new users and their connection to those already in the network. For instance, the fifth user will add 4 new connections to the established. Thus, for a given number of users, the number for the connection can be calculated by the use of quadratic equation derived from arithmetic series. The number of users on Facebook in 2016 is 1.86 million. Through the calculation of the connections between these users, it establishes how social networking in a globalized world is essential. From calculation, the graph illustrates how the increasing number of Facebook users have grown over time. Communication, an integral part of the modern world, expeditiously advanced the development of globalization. Global communication provides an efficient platform and communication link for trading, aided by advanced and dynamic communication technology. Satellite is a modern communication mechanism which works with math formulas such as gravitational and velocity equations to help us develop ways to explore and connect with the world. When planning satellite launches, it must escape the Earth's gravitational field, which is governed by the escape velocity equation. Once in orbit, the satellite must stay in orbit, calculated by the orbital velocity equation. For GPS satellites to work, they must adjust for similar bending of space-time to coordinate with systems on Earth, and is achieved by using the time dilation equation. Along with the mathematics, satellite plays a vital role in modern telecommunication system, hence effectively contributing to the operation of globalization. And there it is. E-commerce, social networking, and communication are all essential needs of our daily lives and social stability, which all comes under the umbrella of globalization. So simply put, globalization is one of the many reasons why our world needs maths, because without it, I wouldn't have been able to connect this with you.